Okay, signal comparator. Let's get a story. Found a block of static memory, but it's in a proprietary format I never saw before. Can't make heads or tails of it. Oh, brother. There's just too many different kinds of machines coming out now, and I feel like tinkering with them as much as the next guy, but when every Tom, Dick, and Mary implements their own memory address scheme, it's all... I say the bottom's going to drop out of the microcomputer market soon. Mark my words. Yeah, that definitely happened. Should we blame our uncle for these two failures too? Or just this one? Okay, read a value from in. Write 1 to out.g if in is greater than 0. Write 1 to out.e if in is equal to 0. Write 1 to out.l if n is less than 0. Okay, so when a1 is not written to an output, write a 0 instead. Wait, to where? To all of them? Like here, -2. Okay, so in oh, okay, okay, got it. So yeah, if we're writing 1, so that's 0, it's 0. So everything gets something out. It's just whether or not it's going to be a 1 or a 0. Okay, that makes sense. So we're going to move up, down, move up, down, move up, right. And then I need to do some kind of comparison, right? So probably move left, ACC. And then I need to compare. So manual time. Ooh, okay, so wait. JGZ? No, J is for jumping, right? Oh, JEZ is... Okay, then jump. I don't want to jump. Is there equal, not equal? Is there like easy? Okay, so yeah, so these are jumps to a label. Example, so JRO, this instruction will be executed next effective. Okay, so the previous instruction will be executed next. So wait, going backwards to this. The next instruction will be skipped. That's not what I want. Oh, so these are labels. So we can have like labels, start. Oh, that's what I probably want to do. I want to do something like this. So we have like start, positive, and negative. And then, so we have J greater than 0, J less than 0, and then it's jumping to whatever label we have. And then we have to tell it to jump back to start. Otherwise, it will then just move into these. Okay, makes sense. So this will have to be start. Can I tab? I can space. There's no tab. I want, okay, so in start, we want to move left to ACC. I want to check to see, okay, so let's figure out if it's, for G, if it's greater than, if it's greater than 0, so greater, and then I guess we have an else. Okay, so move left to ACC, and then I want to jump if greater than 0 to greater. So that jumps me to there. But if we get to this, I want to jump to else. Vampire, hello. Yeah, Hans Brookcirker and Altair 8800. I did not have an Altair. I had, oh, what did I have when I was growing up? It was a, I forget what it was called. It was like a super, I don't remember what it was called. It was one of those ones that was like similar looking to like the Atari, but I don't remember anything about it anymore. Okay, so if it's greater, we're going to, can I just move 0 down? No, wait, move 1 down. Move 1 down, and then we want to jump to start. Otherwise, we move 0 down. And then this one automatically goes back up, so I don't need another instruction. So let's test to see if this works. So here's a 2, so you're going to be greater. Okay, so then we run the greater. Okay, move 1 down. 1 goes down here. And then we see out to 1. Okay, perfect. Which means I completely forgot. I also need at the very end. So hold on. So else. Oh, you know what? I need to move everything to the right too. So this is, we'll have like an end here. And this is gonna move ACC right also. And that jumps up. So move up, down. This will then go to the end here. So instead of jump start, we're going to jump to end. All right, same thing. I need to pass the data to the next. Oh, I could just do that, couldn't I? That would be a lot faster, wouldn't it? Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, then I don't even need this end thing. Good call. Okay, so we jump to else, jump to greater, move 1 down, jump to start again. Okay, so we're good there. So move left ACC, moved ACC right, and then also check it. So then we're going to move left to ACC, move ACC right. Then we're going to have JGZ. All right, so E. If it's equal, so if JGZ, J equal to Z, ACC, then this is equal. Other word jump to else. Equal. I want to move 1 down. Jump to start. And then we have our else. gonna move 0 down, and that just moves back to the top, and then same thing. Okay, so this is gonna be L is less than, so J less than Z, less. Okay, so we move 1 down, jump back to start. Else we move 0 down. Okay, let's see if this works. All right, so far so good. There we go.